Hey friends, going to review this True Match foundation today. So this is the L'Oreal True Match foundation and I've selected the shade Golden Sand. Heard a lot about this product, so I thought why not do a Monday Blue View review for this product, and here I am. I will give you my first impression review about this product in the coming clips. Hi guys, so I have put on some makeup and I have set my foundation just with a little bit compact powder. So let us just see that it works. The best part is that the shade matches to my skin tone, which is a very good thing. I was really anxious about that, and it is blended very well. The only thing is it is not a full coverage foundation, it is a medium coverage foundation. And another thing which I have noticed is that it is a bit dewy, and so it is very good for occasions, to be worn on occasions. I'm doubtful that whether I will be using it for my daily use, but it is so far so good. Actually it is a lot of humid, so that is why I had to set the foundation. You can see I am sweating a lot, so that is the biggest challenge for this foundation. Let us see how it stays for this humid weather. So guys, it's been about 3 hours that I have applied this foundation. I did not share one thing with you earlier, that I have not applied any concealer also to highlight my under eyes or something. I have just applied the foundation, and since it was humid, so I had just set the foundation with a compact powder, and I just did my contour, and the contour and my blush did not remove the foundation. That is also a good part. And after 3 hours I can see that the foundation has settled down. It has imbibed with my skin. So as the brand says that it is a true match foundation, so yes, it has matched my skin completely. And if I talk about the coverage, with time it has gone a bit dull on my under eyes. As you can see, my under eyes are visible now. So again, I would say that it is a medium coverage foundation, not a full coverage foundation. But and as I also shared with you that I'm doubtful whether I will be using for my daily use or not, but yes, now I feel that it can be used for my daily use, that because after some time it has settled down. Otherwise, I'm really loving this foundation. It has really made all my this I had done my Rakhi look today, so it has made it all natural and glowy. And yeah, so I'm loving it till now, and we will review it after the day ends, after about 7 or 8 hours, and then we will conclude the video. Hi guys, so it's been like around 6 to 7 hours, and I'm here to check the foundation again, and you can see that the foundation is pretty much there. The biggest thing is that I was out for some work in this humid temperature, and I was sweating a lot, but the foundation is pretty much there. The contour is there, the foundation is there. It has patched a little bit from the under eyes. Here you can see that it is wearing out from these, but from near my mouth also, chin area, but it is pretty much intact even when I was out in such a humid weather. So all in all, I think it is a very good foundation for daily wear, and but you have to set it with a concealer and also set it with a good powder for long wear. if you want to give it a try for some party or something, then it will be good that you layer twice because it is a medium coverage. One, second, you have to highlight your under eyes with a concealer and set them with this foundation, because if you want to wear this foundation for more than 7 to 8 hours, then it will surely wear out, as you can see. Otherwise, the all in all effect, like the non-comedogenic effect which is mentioned on the pack, that I will be able to review only after I will try it for 2 to 3 times. But for the first time and for a one day, for a long term use, for a long day use, it is a good, but for a daily wear use, it is a very good foundation if you are not using concealer. Yeah, that's it. And it really matches its name, that it is a true match foundation. It matches with all my skin tone. And that's it guys.